From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, we're going to have some drastic changes in the weather, a stormy start to our Friday, then winter coming back. And boy, it's going to be as chilly as it's been all winter long, with the exception of that December freeze. But we might even see temperatures in the 30s come Monday morning, and we'll get to that in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look at this weather maker. It's tied to a pretty strong jet stream that is moving through the nation's southern plains right now, and you can see convection blowing up and starting to see even the storms in Texas casting a big, we'll say a cirrus shadow over Louisiana. So overcast skies on the way, and it has been storming across the region. We do have a couple of surface lows, one up here toward Illinois, another one right over the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And look on the flip side of this system, it's snow in the Texas Panhandle and accumulating in spots. Tornado watch in effect for a good part of Texas. There's a new one just issued down toward the Hill Country. Not surprising with the amount of storms that we have going on here. Here you go. This is a new record for Acadiana. I have 8 sweeping Doppler radars going at one time, including Acadiana's Doppler Power Doppler 3. But we'll watch the storms here in Texas from the Hill Country, where we have an intense storm just north of Killeen, another one just to the northwest of Acadiana, more action up towards Sherman, right along the Red River up into Oklahoma. But right now, going through the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, a tornado warned storm for the Dallas area from Arlington on eastward. And then you have another severe thunderstorm warning. This is for storms that could contain up to 2-inch or larger size hail. So we're talking egg size hail, tennis ball size hail, and the possibility of damaging winds in this particular cell. National Weather Service issuing a tornado warning, but it doesn't look as organized as it did just a few minutes ago. But nonetheless, big weather moving through the Dallas Metroplex. That part of the action misses us well to the north, but we'll be watching some of this activity farther to the south and eastern Texas. This is mainly going to be heading on up to, we'll say, Vernon Parish on northward. There'll be some showers and storms, maybe a few isolated showers for us overnight tonight, but it should be quiet most of the night. Again, Power Doppler 3, Acadiana's Doppler radar, not showing much going on locally at this point, but we have to be on the lookout for storms getting into the severe weather realm as we get closer to daybreak tomorrow. This is through tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Northwestern sections of Acadiana hatched in for a marginal risk of isolated severe storms. Damaging winds are going to be the primary threat, and perhaps an isolated tornado, but not likely. Slight risk farther north and west, and there you have that enhanced risk where we have that tornado watch going. And then as we get into tomorrow morning, we'll say early Friday for Acadiana, notice we've been thrown into a slight risk category, actually a bit of a surprise, since I really don't see severe weather dynamics getting any stronger tomorrow morning as these storms move eastward, but we'll be err on the side of caution and go with that slight 15% chance of severe weather within a 25-mile radius anywhere in the area of yellow. So storms in the radar, we'll be watching it closely as we get closer to daybreak. Here we are at 4 o'clock in the morning. We'll start to see some scattered showers out ahead of the front, but the main squall line and individual cells that could become supercells and produce damaging winds will be pushing on through right before daybreak. Sunrise now a little after 7 a.m. And by the way, we're at the point where we're seeing 12 hours of daylight now, actually 12 hours and 1 minute tomorrow. So equal days already before the equinox gets here, and that's because of our latitude. But nonetheless, you can see stormy conditions across the area. Here we are at 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock in the morning. Things begin to quiet down, but we're going to have lingering showers behind this system through tomorrow afternoon, mostly light stuff, and then sharply colder as we go from the 70s in the morning into the 40s by Saturday morning. And then Saturday, overcast skies, and I wouldn't be surprised if we do see some rain. The models are trending into that as we're going to have an overrunning situation. So right now I got rain chance at 40% Saturday, but it could go even higher, while the models are going 10% or less, and so is the Weather Service at this point. So rain totals 1 to 2 inches for most of us. This is the HER model, the graph model, a little bit more aggressive on the rain, mainly northern portions of Acadiana northward, where there could be a little bit more than 2 inches. So we'll say 1 to 2 for most. Most areas are probably going to get a little bit less than that, maybe 3/4 of an inch, but that's what we'll go with. So winds, they'll be gusty, and they'll be gusting out of the north as well in the 40-mile-per-hour range behind the storms. And then it stays breezy, and with those temperatures, look at this, winds gusting in the 30s tomorrow night through Saturday morning. Boy, it's going to be a blustery winter weekend overall. So temperatures lower 70s to start the day, and then boom, there goes the temperatures dropping down into the 50s for tomorrow evening. And by Saturday morning, low to mid 40s with wind chills threatening the upper 30s. So overnight tonight, we'll see temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for your low. Rain chances right as we get closer to daybreak. So quiet for now, and then by about 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, you'll start to hear the rain, and then showers and thunderstorms tomorrow morning for sure. Rain chance at 100%, but sharply colder into the 50s tomorrow afternoon. As we move on into the 10-day forecast, you'll see an overcast weekend. Highs in the lower 50s, lows in the lower 40s, and by Monday morning, we might even see a frost for northern portions of Acadiana. Maybe not so for Lafayette, but we'll have to watch that. Milder weather follows, and we'll be back into the 80s toward the end of next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.